and gentlemen, today hundreds of lawyers in the top court of the country got calls from a pre-recorded message from a UK number saying that the Supreme Court should not be hearing the PM security breach case, and also adding and taking responsibility for the PM breach. As we look at this, Niranjan, the larger question, like we've said, how long will we continue to trivialize this?
Yeah, we've accessed the 50-second tape. It's a threat tape from a Khalistan terror group. And last week when we spoke about this rhythm, people dismissed it as drama. Can they dismiss it tonight? Let's debate.
It has been the biggest security breach of a sitting Prime Minister in recent times. And the extent of the threat is unravelling day by day. On Monday at around 11:30 a.m. when the Supreme Court was hearing the security breach matter to constitute a special probe panel, many lawyers who are members of Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association raised a red flag over a 50-second threat call they received from Khalistan Group.
Do not help Modi regime and file cases against Punjab Sikh farmers. SFJ is responsible for blocking Modi in Firozpur. You are quiet at thousands of the deaths of the Sikh farmers. Messages from Sikhs for Justice General Council from USA, and we take the responsibility for blocking Modi in Punjab.
This 50-second tape was played out to lawyers who received the call from UK number. Senior SC advocate have given a detailed account of the threat.
After I received the call, I inquired with some of my friends, and almost everybody received same calls, same number, same pre-recorded message. This was the version of the call, and since it was a pre-recorded call, there was no scope for further inquiry from my side.
Never before in the history of Indian judiciary has such an incident come across. Over 100 lawyers have received threat calls between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. while the Supreme Court of India was hearing the matter with regards to the breach of security of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, the advocates on record, who are the backbone of the Supreme Court, have written to the Delhi Police Commissioner seeking an FIR, saying that it is a threat to national security.
Serious action should be taken against them, and I think the NIA should be involved in this call, whoever is making this call, because this is actually striking at the root of the democracy.
This is not the first time Khalistani terror group's role has emerged in the security sabotage. On January 3rd, 2 days before the security breach, Khalistan Group had announced a reward for blocking PM's convoy in Firozpur. A day after blockade, Sikhs for Justice Group claimed responsibility. And 5 days after breach, Khalistan Group has made threat calls to over 1,000 Supreme Court lawyers. There's mounting proof of terror threat. Can the Congress still be in denial?
मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ, पीएम को यहाँ कोई खतरा नहीं था, ना ही हुआ है, ना ही कभी होगा, और वो बिल्कुल सेफ थे। उनकी सिक्योरिटी चारों तरफ थी, कोई उनके नज़दीक नहीं गया, कोई दूर से कंकर नहीं फेंका, कोई नज़दीक 1 किलोमीटर तक उनके सामने नहीं आया। तो इसमें क्या है, चलता है ये सब कुछ।
Will those downplaying the security sabotage now wake up?